hard to see it right now, but in the water, especially at night, they're big. I mean, beautiful, beautiful, like bright blue. It's a beautiful fish. Never ate them before. It's gonna be my first time. So I'm gonna fillet them up. Got all the sushi stuff ready to go. And we're gonna make some Blacksmith Perch Sushi. Alright, scaled. Now it's time to fillet them. Get them ready for the sushi. Right back here, we have this scale plate. These ones are pretty small, but they'll make like probably a good 3 or 4 good sized sushi rolls each. So much easier to fillet when you take the scales off. It just makes it so much smoother, and you don't have to sharpen your knife as much, and you don't, when you're making sushi. I learned this from outdoor chef life, that you always want to scale it because of the knife sharpening issue, dulling your knife, and also you don't want to risk getting scales or any of that stuff in the sushi. So I'm just following the contour of the fish, working my way down to the very end. And then once that side's done, I like to flip it over to keep the meat on there, because it makes it a little bit more difficult to fillet them when you take one fillet off and then it's sitting flat on the bones. It's easier for me to keep the meat on, so it gives it a little bit of space above the cutting board to fillet the other side, like you did the first side. But it's super slippery on my forearm, especially on the dry fit material. It just like slips off. I can't really think I did, how we're doing it. It just, but I was kind of afraid that I might drop this. I need to put one of those either floats or I need to put a leash on it. So I'll do that next time. What should I make? Not the sushi size, however, I think. So that's outdoor chef life in the background. I've been watching his videos a lot lately. What up, Taku? let's do a collab, bro. He's taught me a lot. So I am not a sushi chef at all. I'm a home chef. But you don't need to be a professional to make delicious home cooked meals, fresh caught for your family. Come right there. So now fillet's done. Just gotta run it down and cut these pin bones off. So there's one fillet. That phone is on real.
Not that big, but like I said, that'll make 2 sushi rolls right there.
It was good.
And then the pin bones, or the skeleton and the head, I'll use to make
Yeah. Not the same size as the other one.
a fish soup, fish broth. And that's delicious. Never done it with blacksmith perch before, but we'll see how it is. Man, 2 beautiful fillets.
Getting a fish on a kayak is no easy task. It's so awkward.
Not much meat left in there at all. But I'll go into the broth. Alright, so I got fillets cut. Now I just got to cut out the rib bones and pull out the pin bones. And then I'll start making some sushi rolls. Just drying them off so they're not super wet.
Single stroke at a time.
So it's not bad for 2 tiny little perch, you know. Those things are pretty small. There's a whole bunch of them, so I'm not. But they look delicious. Hurting the population or nothing. Look at that. So beautiful fillet. Look at that beautiful fillet. Beautiful blue colors. And alright, time to cut the rib bunch of them, so. Alright. Fish is filleted, cut in strips. Ready for some sushi roll making. Got the organic soy sauce, organic nori, high quality sesame seed oil. Yeah, baby. Sushi rice is ready to go. Alcoholic, baby. Some of them I'm gonna fry and make some crispy rolls. Organic olive oil. It's going down. What's up, baby? All right. And there's the finished product right there. Now we're just gonna dip it in some soy sauce and try it out. Blacksmith Perch Sushi Roll. Basically a California roll. Cucumber, avocado, got the fish inside. Looks freaking good. Boom. Alright. There's the finished product. Plated and ready to rock. Yeah.
And the finished product.
Alright, let's see. Let's see how you like it, babe. Choose your weapon.
So what is this?
It's basically a Blacksmith Perch California roll. It's got avocado, cucumber, the Blacksmith Perch, some sushi rice, and black sesame seeds. A little bit of organic soy sauce and some sesame seed oil right there. Yeah. Tastes good.
Not fishy at all.
Fresh caught. It's what, not even a day old.
Super good.
Still was in the cooler on ice.
Has avocado, cucumber.
Got a couple little blank spots of rice missing. But it still looks good. This side, oh yeah, there's one right there too. Hey, looks good right here, right here. You can't tell right there.
Can't see it from the freeway. Delicious. You try it.
Alright. Blacksmith Perch. Never seen it before. Saw some last night. Or Tuesday night. Shot a couple, and we're testing it out with some sushi. So we just whipped this up. Here goes nothing.
Homemade. Even the sriracha mayo.
Yeah, the sriracha mayo.
Homemade.
I just made that. It's all organic. Everything in here is organic.
There's some big sushi rolls, huh?
No. They're delicious.
These are some pretty big
That tastes delicious.
sushi rolls with the rice on the outside.
Tastes just as good.
Fancy.
If not better. Actually, this tastes better than a lot of sushi that I've had. This is delicious.
Especially when you catch it yourself and prepare everything yourself. Wowzers. You look pretty handsome on camera, babe.
That was good. Blacksmith Perch Sushi. Those perks better watch out. I'm coming for you. Alright. Some fried, wet beer battered, seasoned, fried Blacksmith Perch Sushi coming right up. That's gonna go right here. Well, not all of it, but I'm gonna make a few rolls with some fried ones. That the raw one was delicious. I just want to try it out. That's what you want right there, baby. Whether you're making fish tacos or fish wraps or fried fish sushi. Alright. Here's the fried Blacksmith Perch Sushi roll. That end piece, I know, looks jacked up. But the rest look pretty good. Alright, let's try it out, babe. Come on.
I'll be your guinea pig.
See which one you like better.
Okay.
Don't eat that jacked up one.
What do you mean? I'm going for this one. I can't grab it. I like this one better.
Because it's fried. Because it's fried, dude. Because it's fried, dude. So you like that one better, huh? A lot better?
No, it's just a little different.
Alright, here.
It's good.
Do me. Let me try this out. I'll take the jacked up one.
Why?
Because I am.
It tastes like fish and chips sushi roll.
There you go. Yeah, it tastes like Mexican Japanese roll. It's got fried fish.
Yeah.
So it's like a fried fish Baja style taco
Fried fish?
in a sushi roll.
Not
I'm
fried.
gonna call this the Baja roll.
The Baja roll?
Yeah. This is gonna be the Baja roll. Look at that.
Let me focus. Bam. There we go.
It's the Baja roll. Oh snap!
Bombay.
didn't make the sushi rice. These stickies are sure.
It's okay. We're learning. Bam!
Second plate of the fried. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Second plate of the fried Blacksmith Perch with cucumber avocado and homemade organic sriracha mayo. Everything's organic. Everything's super healthy. Even the soy sauce and the sesame oil. Look at that. That came out beautiful. Look at that. Boom. So good. So freaking good. Thank you, Taku Outdoor Chef Life, for inspiring me to make sushi and providing all the cool videos and good content, because I've been watching it religiously for the past like few months. It's super cool, you know, and I'm inspired by you, bro. This is awesome.
So is my belly.
Yeah, boy, you got a lot to look forward to. I mean, I cook, I get down, I cook a lot, you know, but I never made sushi or ramen. And this is the bomb. It is so freaking good. Blacksmith Perch, I'm sure it'll taste good with anything. Calico, sculpin, tuna, yellowtail, halibut, whatever. Make some sushi. Hit up your local Japanese market and get down. Hallelujah. Alright. Plate number 2 of the Blacksmith Perch fry. Man, that's so good. Everything. I can taste that homemade sriracha mayo, all organic mayo, organic sriracha. I can taste avocado, the cucumber, the fish. I can taste the seasoning, the batter. Man, that is so freaking good. Blacksmith Perch. So good. Delicious. And my wife is full. So that means I get the rest.
And cut.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. Fried fish skins. Scale your fish, people. Even if you fillet them, take the skin, fry it in some oil. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Test it out, babe. They're like the best chicharrones you ever have. Freaking delicious.
It's super good for you.
Yeah, super healthy. Get your omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids.
Yeah.
Oh, that's super good.